Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to make a landing page in Canva for e-commerce. So let's get started. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is to navigate into your Canva dashboard. If you don't have one, navigate to canva.com and create a free account. Well, to create a landing page in Canva, from my dashboard, I'll navigate into the search area and type in the landing page as my keyword. I'll press on enter and on the flyout menu, I'll select landing page product. Notice we want to do a landing page for an e-commerce, which means a page that showcases my products. There are quite a number of options that I get from Canva, and in this case, I'll choose the first available option that fits my brand. I'll click on the option of choice, select customize this template, and Canva will open the template in design mode. Notice that if I felt that I have selected a design I did not like, then I can navigate into the design area templates option and choose from the hundreds of templates that are provided. If you look at this template already, you can tell that I have full control of the elements in within. By double clicking on any of the elements, I get the ability to edit that to suit my needs. I can change this text to the text of my choice. I can also change this title to the title of my choice, including changing the font type, the font style, font color, and even the font size. Now, if I want to change these image elements within my design, I'll navigate into the upload section. And here you have the ability to upload images from your computer if you have not already done so. You can also get them from Dropbox, Drive, or even Box. In this case, I want to get a few images from my computer. So I'll select upload files, and once I upload them into my Canva, here they are. I can now click, drag, and drop them on position in my design. For example, I can pick this, bring that there. I can also pick this camera and bring it in here. Notice when I bring this element within any of the existing elements, it takes exactly the shape of the existing item. For example, I move the camera here, it fits exactly on that image location, and if I move it down here, it fits accurately. Notice I can also just bring it ad hoc on my document, which is not what I'm looking for. So I'll drop it in there and do all the other customizations to fit my landing page. Once the landing page design is complete, it's time for us to send to a designer to convert this document into code. Well, that is how we make a landing page in Canva for an e-commerce. If you like this video, hit on that subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.